Good morning, my friend. I have a question for you. Do you know how many sentences you speak every day? Maybe 500, maybe 1,000, maybe more. Now imagine this. What if even 100 of those sentences were in English? You would live your life in English. You would practice without even thinking. Today, I want to guide you. I will give you 100 daily routine sentences. Simple, clear, useful. Sentences you can use every morning, afternoon, and evening. But this podcast is not only about sentences, it is also about your journey, your confidence, and your fluency. Here is the first idea. Your English grows when you use it daily, not only in class, not only in tests, but in your real life. That is why daily routine English is so powerful. Let's begin with the morning. Imagine you open your eyes. You say to yourself, I wake up. Then, I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. These are not only words, they are your life and your English. Here's a useful phrase. For example, I usually drink coffee in the morning. Or, I usually listen to music while I eat breakfast. Usually helps you talk about habits. Very useful for daily routines. Now let me tell you a secret about language learning. Are you ready? The secret is shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time, like an echo. When you shadow these daily routine sentences, you don't only understand English, you speak it, you feel it in your mouth, you build muscle memory. That is the secret. Let's continue the story of your day. Now you are at work or school. You can say, I start work at 9. I answer emails. I write in my notebook. I talk with my friend. I read a book. I eat lunch. I finish work at 5. These sentences are small, but small sentences make big fluency. Here's another phrase. I am busy. For example, I am busy with homework. I am busy at the office. Or, I am busy cooking. This is a natural way to explain your day. Let's talk about the afternoon. You can say, I go home. I take the bus. I walk in the park. I listen to music. I meet my friend. I buy food. I cook dinner. These are sentences you can use every single day. Now here is some motivation. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel lazy. Sometimes you think, English is too hard. But remember this. Fluency is not magic. It is daily habit, like brushing your teeth, like drinking water. Small steps, every day. That is how you grow. Here's another useful phrase. I need to. For example, I need to finish my homework. I need to clean the house. I need to buy bread. I need to call my friend. This phrase helps you speak about your tasks. It makes your English more real. Now evening comes. You can say, I eat dinner. I watch TV. I talk with my family. I study English. I take a shower. I go to bed. I fall asleep. Simple, clear, powerful. Let me give you a small psychological tip. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your teacher. Mistakes are your friend. Every mistake means, I tried. I learned. I'm better today than yesterday. So do not fear mistakes. Welcome them. Smile at them. Another phrase for your daily life. I want to. For example, I want to rest. I want to read a book. I want to sleep early. Or, I want to practice English. This phrase helps you express your wishes. Very natural, very useful. Now, let's review. In the morning, you can say, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. At work, you can say, I start work at 9. I am busy. I eat lunch. In the afternoon, I walk in the park. I listen to music. I meet my friend. In the evening, I watch TV. I take a shower. I go to bed. These are 100 small sentences. But they are more than sentences. They are steps. Steps to your fluency. Here is one final motivation. English is not only grammar. English is not only vocabulary. English is connection. English is communication. English is your voice. When you practice these sentences, you are not only learning words, you are building a new you, a more confident you, a stronger you, a fluent you. So my challenge for you is this. Take these sentences, repeat them every day, shadow them with me. Speak them in the morning, speak them in the afternoon, speak them in the evening. Use them in your real life. Remember, small steps, every day. No fear of mistakes. That is how you win. That is how you grow. That is how you speak English fluently. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Come back tomorrow. Listen again. Repeat again. And remember, your English journey is not a race. It is a daily walk. And every step you take, you are closer to fluency.